Most compact systems are not designed for high performance. The Air 240 is different. It was designed specifically to cool high-performance components in a compact size. The unique design leaves room for 2 full-size GPUs and a full-size power supply. There are 9 fan mounts, and you can fit one 240mm radiator if you're using a micro ATX motherboard, and 2 radiators if you're building a mini ATX system. The side panels, drive bays, and expansion slots are all tool-free. The expansion slots have a hinged locking mechanism. Simply snap it into place to secure your graphics cards. Builds are neat and easy with the CPU backplate cutout, cable routing holes, and cable tie-downs behind the motherboard tray. And this is how the direct airflow path works. The drives and power supply are tucked out of the way in the rear compartment, and the intake fans draw cool air directly over your components. The Air 240 comes with 4 rubber feet that can be applied to any one of 3 panels, allowing you to orient the case however you like.
The 350D may be small in comparison, but it still has room for lots of components, as I'll show you in a second. And it's large enough on the inside for easy builds. Both side panels use tool-free thumb screws, so they're easy to remove. With the 350D, micro ATX cases are no longer just for building basic systems. There's room for 2 full-size dual radiator liquid CPU coolers, one on top and one up front if you want to move out the hard drive cage. And on the subject of cooling, the 350D comes with a 140mm intake fan, which you can see behind this easily removable dust filter, as well as one rear 120mm exhaust fan. There are 5 expansion slots, so you can install dual full-length graphics cards without using up all your slots. There are 2 dedicated 2.5-inch drive bays for solid-state drives. There are 2 3.5-inch drive bays for hard drives and 2 optical drive bays. All of the drive bays are tool-free for easy storage installation and upgrades. That's because, like all Corsair cases, the 350D is designed for fast and neat builds. And to finish it off, the 350D has our innovative cable routing system for getting everything out of the way.